Hey guys, hello. So, yesterday was my birthday. Well, I bet most of you saw that video already. I just saw the present I got. I explained it, and I was so excited. I already started it. So, technically, this is the motor. I built the transmission right here. This is the back bumper. This will hold up suspension, or the shocks. But this is suspension. So this is the suspension bar. This is the drive shaft. This is actually the outer drive shaft inside to the inner drive shaft. Same thing on the other side. I'm right now building the back bumper and the wheelie. Don't remember what it's called. It goes like this. So anyway, that will go on next. Right now, I am putting on this bottom of this, and let me just get. Okay. So right now I'm building this. This will go on. They actually came with these really cool Allen keys. Has a hook on the end because you can use it like the other way. Yeah, it is my first build. Actually, I built a car before, but I don't really remember that at all. Just confused about how it's gonna work. So if that's the back. Oh, I bet. Now I get it. Okay. So this thing's gonna be going up. This is what's gonna be holding the body up. Because I bet it's gonna be higher off the ground than that. I bet that's what's happening. I'm gonna look ahead of it and see, because I really want to make sure I'm doing this all right. Because I already did a couple things wrong beforehand, and it was very hard to fix them. Actually, it was almost like I had to use all my body strength to fix it. It was really hard. So I actually did not do the shock absorbers yet. I'm going to do that. It's just like I could not get the lid off. I'm just looking ahead to make sure. Okay, I have to look very far ahead. Okay, so yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, resuming putting the screws on. So, yes, I'm going to put these screws on, and I'll see you guys then. Okay, guys, the screws are in. This is what it looks like so far, right? On the camera, it looks kind of like a mess. But like, I should do this. This should go back down. This is also the engine cables. This will connect to the battery. And yeah. So that was the rear skid plate. You can see from the bottom, it's kind of like a skid plate. Yeah. And now we're going to, this is the wheelie bar mount. We're going to put this over the engine, like for when the car does wheelies. So as the instructions say, it should just slide on. Turn upside down, of course. Should just slide on. Oh, it does. Only when things slide on, they really don't. So it just okay. There's more to that. On the wheelie bar mount, I need these like screws. This one, and then this tiny one, like that. Okay, first off, the big one, don't fall off. It just goes through it all. So wait, this one. The big one, okay, that's actually, hold on, let me process the information real quick. Okay, I have processed the information enough. So, yes, the smallest one goes on the side here. I might have made a mistake here. Make sure the hole is aligned, because it could very well not be. had to, I don't know, put it, the hole. Okay, I think I got it into the actual hole. Let's see. I did not. Alright. Ah, okay. I think it should be in the hole now. Push it forward. There. Okay, I'll see you guys when I put these screws in. Alright guys, the wheelie bar mount is on. So you can see it right there. Next thing I need to do is put on the bumper. So the bumper is a mix between two pieces. This piece, the main piece, then this piece. Yeah. This piece looks like it is screwed on. Right. Ah, okay. So inside of these grooves is a screw hole. You put it right there, and then it should screw in through that. And then, yes. Okay, so I'll screw these in, and then I'll get back to you, and we'll see how it looks then. Okay, guys, the rear bumper is now in place. It is done. Hold on, let's bring this up a bit. Trying to shine the light so it isn't looking weird. Alright, that's better. Anyway, rear bumper is now in place. Or not in place, but it's built. So now the rear bumper is completely built. Now I can put it on the car. So in order to put it on the car, I technically have to slide it in along with the I just slide it in along with the wheelie bar. Trying to do this because the angle they put this at is very hard to understand. So I guess it just goes on. Oh, like that. Now where does this bottom one go on? That I do not know. Oh, I'll see you guys when it's on. Alright guys, so what I did, the bumper is installed. So that's in there. It's really nice. So the next step to do, the next thing that I have to do is to install the rear shocks. However, I did not do the rear shocks. Most because I can't get the shock things off. So let me get the shock bag. So what you're supposed to do with these shocks is just take this all out. I'm gonna do all this. What you do with these shocks, what you have to do to get them ready. Where is the oil? Ah, here it is. You have to take off the lid. What? Okay, I just did that. Never mind. We're gonna do this. Alright, I have to open it all the way out. I really, really, really hope this I did this correctly. Because I do not want to spill oil everywhere. That would be very bad. Let's see, can I use it over like a bag or something? Box. Well, I guess I'm already on the workbench. It doesn't matter. Just move this out of the way.
Sure you're
Alright.
in the box?
Yeah, I'm good. I'll just put these bags down. Okay. First things first. I just have to go all the way back. But you can put this aside now. Alright. So now it's time to do the shocks. It's for this. Right here. Okay, this page is shocks. What you have to do, or what I already did. Where's the one I already did? Alright, here's the one I already took a look at. Have this. And Okay, thanks. I have this on. Sorry, I'm just gonna. I have to fill it with shock oil. If I had stain, that'd be amazing. But sadly, I don't. Oh, yep. Okay, so shock oil. Oh, why can I not open this thing? Let's see. Okay. Well, gosh, this bag. There we go. Okay. Yeah, this is the chalk oil. And, you have to put on. Okay, hold on. This is gonna be brutal. There we go. Okay, so I need to open this actually. There we go. Okay, now I'm gonna put on. Oh, I need to open it more. Oh, it's gonna be a pain in the butt. Flip. Shock oil all over the Allen key. Yep, time to use a pencil. Alright. Crap. I feel like I'm just making this worse. Oh, I think I can just peel it off. Oh, so close. Oh, crap. There we go. There. Okay, now I can put in the dribbler thing on. This shovel does not smell good. Oh. So I'm glad that this is oil and the way oil comes out is dribble, even if it's open. And I'm glad that the nozzle opening is very small, because otherwise all my oil would be gone. So yeah, you're supposed to just push it on, but it doesn't want to go on. I think you just flip up the top, yeah. Okay, I'm sorry guys, should have done this before. Yeah, it should be good. Now I have to fill it with oil. I don't know, is there gonna be enough shock oil? Oh, there is. It would be very bad if there was not. Open this more, it's not open enough. That's open. Everything to shock oil. Three millimeter access point. I might put too much in this right now. Good. Add a little bit more oil. Okay, that should be good. Then I'm just gonna put the lid on, and that should operate smoothly. Let's see. It's good. It's yeah. It's a lot better than I expected, actually. I thought it was going to be way worse. But the way I was doing this, nope. I very bad. Okay, so This is shock, but it doesn't have the spring on. It doesn't have anything else on. So rear shock springs. Okay. Currently, the back ones are longer. Okay. No matter. So, this is not all cut. Okay. Here's a preload spacer. We're going to fill them all with oil. Do the whole thing with this first. Then we'll do the... Okay, yeah, those are the front, these are the back. Okay. Then we'll figure out the rest stuff. We're just going to fill these all with oil. Do I have to open the back one to get the front one off? Is that how this works? That's what I did with the other one. I don't know. I don't know how I got the other one off. I don't know. How did I get the other one off? This one's just not coming off. These pliers. I don't want to break the thing though. My hands are all oily now. Oh, it's gonna be so hard. Ugh. I'll come back when these are all done. Alright guys, so suspension done. I'm not gonna put it on yet though. So there's gonna be multiple parts. This is just part 1. Part 2, part 3. I'm hoping to go all the way to like a part 5. It'll depend on how long it takes. So what we've done, it's a substantial amount of work. We got, well, before you guys showed up, I got the engine and transmission differential all together. Then we put on the suspension, back suspension holder. Then this will attach to the body. We attached the inner drive shaft, the outer drive shaft on both sides. We put the thing under that'll hold it. We put the thing on top of it that'll hold it. We put on the wheelie bar, whatever you call it. We put on the back bumper, 2 pieces of it. We put on the bottom, forgot the name, the scrape guard, the bottom scrape guard. Come on, look it up. It's called a skid plate. We installed the skid plate. We put on the cover for that. And the next one, I'm hoping to put on the suspension, do the exact same thing for the front, and put on the body. And then the third part will be just putting in all the electronics, everything like that. I'm really hoping this is a substantial amount of work. I'm really hoping we can get this done. Okay, this is just the back. This isn't even part of the body. It's bigger than my head. Just try to size that out in your head. How big that will be. That's gonna be huge when it's all together. Like, just wow, huge. No one's gonna believe I built it. I'll show them this video. Alright, just gonna put some of this stuff away. Yeah, I'll end the video. So let me know down in the comments what piece you want me to do next. I think I've already had it put in my mind what I want to do next, but I'm open to ideas. Yeah. Put everything away now. So it's a lot more work than you might think. I also have to put all this stuff away, and I really hope I'm not out of fluid. Really, really hope I won't run out of fluid. That would be so bad. Oh, do I not? Do I not know the lid is to this? Alright, anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.